Imagine finding a $200,000 masterpiece buried under 20 years of dust, a forgotten legend, a rusted Maybach. Is it a total loss or a hidden treasure? Stick around, because you won't believe the final transformation. The first step is peeling back the layers of time. Every inch of this paint is screaming for help. But underneath this grime lies the soul of German luxury. Restoring a Maybach isn't just a job, it's surgery. From rebuilding the V12 heart to hand-stitching the premium leather, every detail must be perfect. No compromises. Now, the magic happens. A custom deep gloss finish that reflects its true worth. Look at that shine. This is where $200,000 starts to look like a bargain. From a rusted barn find to a road-going masterpiece, the Maybach is back. What do you think? Was it worth the effort? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for the next transformation. The journey has just begun.